Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. For today we're going to review the NATASHA Denona Retro Palette. And look at this color story. I really adore colors like this. I appreciate them. It's my favorite color scheme that you can find. So that's a plus for me. And let's get started. As you can see, I already did my face, makeup, lipstick, eyebrows, and no eye. So going to start with the eye primer, and then just do a little bit. This is the P. Louise base. I don't know if you noticed, but I changed the color of my hair, so it's blonde, and this is more dark. This is my own color, but a while ago I had a little bit of an orangey sheen in it, so the color of my brow didn't match my hair anymore, so I bought a new one. This is the taupe color, and I know somebody commented on that part, but I have been away for a couple of weeks and didn't have the chance to show you all the new color. Every color that I'm going to use, I'm going to put down in the description box and below here in the screen, so you can see which color I got from the palette. First I'm going to set my eye base, and I'm going in with the color Maude. It's not a white, it's a very, very soft pink. And I'm just going to place that on top of the whole eyelid. This is also a transition color. So let's put Maude a little bit more in the inner corner, just to brighten that inner corner up, so you got a more open look going on there. I really like the pigmentation of Maude. I don't have to work that hard to get it. Okay, so the eyes are bright, they're open. I have a little bit of fallout underneath my eye, but it has also to do with the fact that I am trying to put on the inner corner with a blending brush. So it's more loose on the brush and I didn't tap it off, so my bad. Then we've got the color Andy. It's a little bit of an old purple color. It's soft, I like soft. A old purple taupe color. So I am bouncing that here. I pack it on the outer third of the lid, up in the crease, and then I'm going to scratch that middle line because I don't like a straight line there. And then whatever it's left, I just take it into my crease. I fade it out upwards to the transition color what's already there. There is a little bit of a kickback in the pan, but I don't mind that. I just like the formulas of NATASHA Denona. They're always so pigmented. That's why you don't need that much. And I am picking up a little bit at a time. Otherwise, blending is going to be really, really tough. So what's left over, I am just running that underneath my eye. Now we can choose to put a glitter in the middle and call it a day. Or we are going to pick up a color that's a little bit darker, more aubergine color groove with a smaller blending brush. It's more dense. And I am putting that here in the outer corner. And a little bit underneath the eye. Making a sort of winged liner. So, and then we're going to connect that point and drag it into the crease a little bit above, so we can still see this shape. And then we're going to make little circular motions to fade it in the crease. Okay, I'm going to close this little piece because I don't like it. If you don't like it, you have to do something about it. So a little bit of mod just for that edge, just to tone it down a little bit. And I'm going in with how do you pronounce it? Psychedelic? Psychedelic? Is that it? I don't know. Psychedelic.
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 Psychedelic. Yes, that's what I said. Psychedelic. It's a more multi-colored glitter in light pink. Then we've got a pink with a golden sheen, and we've got a aubergine color swing, but I think I'm going for psychedelic. And I put that on top of mod. I really like those two, how they work together. I'm wanting to go in with the color swing, that is the purple metallic color, because I think it's lacking something over here in this bit. Yeah, that ties everything together. I have some fallout underneath the eyes. So for the next time I will use this palette, I will first do my eyes before I do the face makeup. For my waterline, I'm going to use the LA Girl Baby Pink eyeliner. Because it's a light color, it will open your eyes even more. I curled my lash, I put the stones on, and now it's mascara time. So that was the Legendary Volume Mascara Volume 2 by Charlotte Tilbury. For the highlighter today, I'm going to use NATASHA Denona I Need a Nude Glow highlighter. For the blush, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier blush in Strawberry. So, and this concludes the tutorial for today about the NATASHA Denona Retro Palette. I really am in love with the color story, the pigment, the formula is just as always phenomenal. So yeah, I am a fan again, and I want to make more looks with this palette, different looks than this one. This is just a classic me look. And yeah, I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel. And for now, I wish you a very nice day, and hope to see you soon. Bye!